Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to week 5 of our Operation Nail Growth Journey, round 2 for the year. Today I am actually doing my nails on camera. Last week was just a little update, but we are ready for a fresh mani. I am doing a gel manicure today, so I did already go ahead and do my first hand just to expedite the process, especially with today's manicure because it is a little more involved. We're just gonna jump right into it and I'll chit chat as we're painting. Quickly before we get started, I'm gonna just show you what we are doing today. We are doing this bright neon corally orange pink manicure. It looks so different on camera than it does in person. It looks so different in natural light than it does in artificial light. I'll try to insert some photos as we go of what it looks like in all of those different lights. But if you follow me on Instagram at _AmandaBella, yesterday, which was Tuesday, I posted a picture of this gorgeous neon manicure asking if anyone knew what the color was or if there was a dupe for it. It was the most beautiful shade. I'll insert the photo here. And I was trying to replicate it because that's kind of what I wanted to do for this manicure. And I did somewhat replicate it. I don't think I did the best job. It's not 100% spot on, but it's close enough. So to get a pretty close color match, we are doing 2 coats of Gelish's Tickle My Keys, which is like a bubblegum pink. And then I'm topping it with 2 coats of Gelish's Tiki Tiki Laranga. I hope I'm saying that right. I've had that polish for years, like honestly, I think maybe even over 10 years, but it's held up really well and it is a bright, vibrant neon orange. It's gorgeous. It's so fun on its own, but I wanted to think a little deeper. And as I'm looking at the hand that I already did paint, I think I could have afforded to do 3 coats of the Tiki on top because it's not streaky, but you can see through and get a little hint of that pink, but it's okay. I don't know, I was just really craving a manicure like this, but I have to say the second I finished curing this hand, I was like, should I take this off and just do a red? Because part of me just wanted a beautiful classic red manicure, and maybe I'll do that next mani. We'll see. I didn't want to be too crazy and remove what I had just painted. I just took off the rest of my gel this morning, so that would just be too involved. It's very easy for it to take all day to remove and reapply a gel manicure. In the interest of saving time, we're just gonna rock this combo and hopefully it grows on me. I definitely like it. I don't dislike how it turned out, but it's gonna be one of those things where can I stomach this color for 2 weeks or so? All right, into the lamp. I am using my larger lamp today, which means that it's 2-minute cure times for each coat. So this is gonna be a little longer than normal. I might honestly turn my camera off while I'm curing. Not right now, we'll get through all of the updates now, but later on, because we do have 2 minutes for the base, 4 minutes for Tickle My Keys, 4 minutes for Tiki, and 2 more minutes for the top. But anyway, let's chit chat a little bit about our Operation Nail Growth journey and how we are all doing. I have to say my nails are coming along really nicely. I'm so happy with the growth, and I feel like next week really could be my last update. Maybe 2 weeks to get a little more of the almond shape that I like, but very happy with the progress so far. I did break the tip of my thumb last week. What was I doing? My husband and I were somewhere and he ran in the Nutmeg Games. It's like the state competition for all kinds of athletics, and he ran with 3 of his buddies from college. They were all on the track team. They did the 4x1 relay and they did a great job. They actually ended up taking home bronze. It was so much fun, but it was a really long day. We were up and out really early and I switched over my purse. I normally have all of my essentials in my regular purse, and by that I mean a nail file, and I didn't take my regular bag. I ended up switching it that morning, so I didn't have a nail file, and for some reason I broke a nail on my way there. I don't know how, probably carrying like a chair or the tent or something. So I was dealing with this like chipped tip of my thumb all day. It was driving me absolutely insane. You know when you can just feel it and it's like snagging on your clothes? I was just trying to make sure it didn't chip any further, but it was okay. Later on in the day, I got access to a nail file and was able to salvage it. And when I give you a close-up later on in this video, you'll see it's not that bad of a break. It's definitely a little shorter than my other thumb, but it's okay. It didn't throw off all of our progress, and it wasn't worth cutting down completely by any means. It was just a little bit of the tip. So this is the first coat of Tickle My Keys. I do love this color on its own. It's a true Barbie pink, bubblegum pink. Speaking of Barbie, does anyone have any plans to see the Barbie movie? I really don't feel like that compelled to see it, but with all the promo and everything, I really do want to see it. I'm looking forward to, honestly, both that and Oppenheimer. They both look like amazing movies, and it's just nice to have movies back in the theaters. Oh my god, I forgot my glove. When I did my first hand, I wore my UV protectant glove and I completely forgot to put it on for this hand, so yay me. Darn it. These gloves are great though. They're so thin, they're so lightweight, but they do protect your nails while they're in the lamp. I'll be sure to link them below. You can get a pair on Amazon. I've been thinking of selling them on Sweet Almond, so this was actually a sample pair. So talk to me in the comments about your Operation Nail Growth. I love hearing from you. We had a lot of success stories last week, a lot of progress, a couple mishaps, a couple breaks. I feel for you, I really do. It's like the worst feeling, but you got this. Jump back into the game. It's okay to have a little setback or two. It's honestly inevitable. It's hard for them to stay perfect all the time, but it's exciting when they finally do start to grow. I wanted to ask you guys, because I've been filming some new stuff for my channel, and it's not even new, it's just new as of lately. My channel originated with a ton of makeup and hair content, and over the years we've really veered away from that. And quick pause, this is the Tickle My Keys. Very, very pretty pink. Anyway, over the years, we've really veered away from a lot of that stuff and honed more in on nails, which a-okay with me. I do love my nails. I love them now. I'll love them always, but I like doing some of the other stuff too. I'm just wondering what else you like to see if not nail content. I did another Temu try on this week. If you caught that video, it went up on Wednesday. Got a couple really cute things, so I was excited to share those. I think anytime there's new apps or shopping platforms like that, it's fun to review them. And sometimes the first review is not always the best. My first review was pretty good. I wasn't completely disappointed. It was really what I expected, but my second review was borderline a rave review. I was very happy with what I got. I love the items. I've already worn 2 of them. If you read my blog, you saw one of them in last week's What I Wore This Week post, and then another item will be in Monday's blog. So I've been loving my What I Wore This Week series. I don't know if anyone else blogs, but I always encourage people to do it. It's such a fun little series. It's a great way to challenge yourself, and it's a great way to wear all of the clothes in your closet. It forces you to get a little creative. Like this top I'm wearing today, rarely wear this top. I can probably count on one hand the amount of times I've ever worn it, but it's just a great piece. It's really cute. I'm wearing it with little denim shorts today. It got it out of the closet, onto my body, into rotation, and I have that series to thank for that. Today is a scorcher. I got up really early. Wednesdays are my early days because Dan goes into work really early. So once he's up and out, I'm up and out. I got up and I read for a little bit. I'm trying to make time to read. In the morning especially is when I have the most attention span. I'll just set my timer or allow myself 20 minutes, 30 minutes just to read. So I did that for probably about 30-45 minutes this morning. Then I made breakfast. I went to the park to get my walk in. I've been trying to walk at least a half hour a day. I ended up walking for about 40-45 minutes. It was so hot. It was 80 degrees while I was there, and that was only like 9 a.m. Came home, showered, got ready, removed that gel manicure, painted this hand, and here we are filming this now. So it's supposed to hit like 90 degrees later today. I'm thinking I might venture over to my parents' pool at some point if I get all my work done, because I would love to just sit out and enjoy the sun. I'm dying to get a little tan on my legs. My legs are so pale, and once short season arrives, you really don't want to be self-conscious about that. I just want to be able to throw on any shorts or dresses without worrying about if my legs are too pale. And as of right now, I'm wearing those shorts and dresses, but they definitely are looking a little pasty. See how much it changes one coat? It like completely changes the polish. And after I painted this manicure, I swear I had this color. I almost feel like Gelish's Shake It Till You Samba, which is a neon pink. I feel like I could have used that underneath Tiki, and that might have been a good combo too. But we were experimenting with this, so I'm happy with the results. At the end, I'll do a little side by side and you let me know how we did color mixing this. You guys had some great suggestions. It's so funny how people can identify colors. A lot of Cajun shrimp, and I do think Cajun shrimp is actually really close. I feel like that underneath Tiki might be the move, but it's truly a neon polish. You have to get that neon element from something. So a lot of the polishes were just creamy finish, which is gorgeous, but it doesn't lend too well to that neon. So that's why I knew I wanted to pair it with this Tiki, and I tried 3 different polishes underneath it, and to me and to you guys, because I let you vote, this one seemed the closest. It's funny, one of my friends, she said she had been trying to find that exact color last year too and completely gave up, so she just mixed her own, and I think it's a shade that you do have to mix. And the photo I found was originally from Instagram. It had to be. I didn't save it with the account or the caption, but I'm sure there was no color listed because I definitely would have if there was. And my guess is that the account I found it on was a foreign nail artist, because the foreign nail artists have the most beautiful work. They just get completely different colors, completely different polishes, different lines that we don't have access to. I mean, maybe we do, but I don't know where you would find them. I used to follow this one girl. What was her name? I don't even remember because she just disappeared off the face of Instagram. One day she was just gone. I hope she's okay, but there's no sign of her business anywhere anymore. Her Instagram just like halted back in, I don't know, maybe like 2016, 2017. I don't know if she's a nail artist anymore, but she did the most beautiful, beautiful work and really turned me on to almond nails and gel polishes. Starting to get so hungry thinking about what I want for lunch after this. So I recently started this new arm workout. I'm not good at working out when it comes to just weights and pushing myself. I'm just not. I can walk till the cows come home. I will walk all day, every day. I love taking my daily walk. I feel like that is just a great way to like maintain. When it comes to toning, I really struggle. So Dan is great at this. He has a whole gym in our basement and I try to work out with him sometimes, but working out with your partner can get a little challenging. He's really good at it and like tries to teach me, and I'm just more stubborn and impatient and not the best to exercise with. So I like my little videos. I always have. I like working with resistance bands and like 5-pound weights. So I recently got a new set of 5-pound weights because the other set I have I leave down at the office because I will try to squeeze those in when I'm down there. But I just went to Walmart, got another set of 5-pound weights, and I found this awesome 5-minute arm workout video that I have been doing 3 days now. It's not too challenging. I mean, it's definitely hard. There's moments during it that I'm like, okay, I'm struggling here. I just try to go at my own pace, but I feel like it's a good baseline. I feel like if I can just stick with it and keep it up, it'll be a great way to tone up my arms. And I don't know, I'm just feeling like my arms are looking a little older these days, which they are. I want to tone them up a little, and I've been able to do it in the past. I don't really need to lose any weight in my arms. They just truly need a tone. So we're trying to be consistent with that video. All right, we are on the second coat of Tiki Tiki. I haven't forgotten about a live manicure. Don't think I have. I definitely am gonna do one. Hopefully before the summer is up, maybe in the next month or two. I really do miss them. I participated in my friend Crystal's book club recently. She has this awesome book club Instagram account. They meet monthly on Zoom to discuss a book. So I really wanted to participate. So I joined in on her June book club. It wasn't YouTube, it was fully a Zoom meeting, which was fun because you got to see everybody else and engage with everyone else. But obviously she ran the meeting and I've never participated in an engaging Zoom. I've only been on meetings for Zoom or like large seminars where I didn't have to participate. I just had to kind of listen. And I found myself like really shy and nervous to speak up. I messaged her after because she did such an incredible job. I was like, you did great. She's so passionate and enthusiastic about her book club, and I think that's what makes a great live. And I was like, it's so different participating in what I consider a live than it is hosting one. I definitely am a little more comfortable hosting, I think. Probably because you feel okay speaking up because you're the one who is kind of keeping the flow and moving things along. But she had a handful of girls who were really active and kept contributing to the conversation. And I think I spoke up once and I was so like nervous and flustered that I just like jumbled my words. I don't even know if it came out okay, but I found that so interesting. And long story short, it just re-inspired me and got me excited about lives again because they are so much fun and they are something I want to continue doing. So we will get a live on the schedule soon. Stay tuned. I will of course let you know before that happens. The next couple of weeks are really busy for us. Coming up is my mom's birthday. We have the Post Malone concert, which I'm so excited about. Our 2-year anniversary, which we're looking forward to celebrating. Last year we went to this gorgeous restaurant in Litchfield County. It was so charming. Food was really good. It was just a great night. So we were gonna make that like our anniversary dinner spot. And of course this year our anniversary is on a Monday and they're closed on Monday. So that kind of stinks. We went to the Hopkins Inn. I don't know if anyone is familiar or has ever been, but it's in Morris, Connecticut, part of an inn. It was just so beautiful. It overlooked the water, just such a quiet environment. And Litchfield County has a lot of celebrities that frequent it. I think they have a lot of second homes, well, celebrities, who knows, second, third, fourth homes in that area. It's just a really peaceful, quiet, get out of the city type town. And when we got to our anniversary dinner, we sat down and we were seated right next to Ethan Hawke and one of his younger daughters. It was so funny. The whole time we were just like, oh my God, is that Ethan Hawke? Now, we live in Connecticut. We don't live in New York or LA where you're seeing celebrities out and about, but he was just hanging out there, sitting, having dinner with his daughter. He had these like jeans that had studs on them, which I thought was so interesting. It was just such a unique outfit. And we obviously both recognized him and we didn't want to be weird and say something. But after he left, I told Dan, I was like, I should have gone up to him and been like, excuse me, can you take a photo for us? It's our anniversary. He's like, why didn't you do it? I just didn't think about it in time. Celebrities in the wild. It's funny. Have you guys met any celebrities ever? I'm not like an Ethan Hawke fan. I honestly confused him with the guy from Entourage, Johnny Drama. I didn't know who he was at first. I was like, is that Drama? But Dan's like, that's Ethan Hawke. How do you not know that? But celebrities are so funny to me. I've met a few in my lifetime, mostly at events. Molly Sims, I've actually met her a couple times. I liked her a lot. She was so funny and just super honest. I've met Makeup by Mario, the guy with the white hair from America's Next Top Model. I met John Legend. He was actually way more awkward than I thought he would be. Really nice, but kind of awkward. I feel like I've met a lot of hosts. I might have met Jeannie Mai. I don't know, but it's just cool because you hear so much about them, see so much about them, and then to see them in the flesh, it's like, oh, this is what you're like. It was kind of neat. Anyway, the Ethan Hawke experience was very, very cool. It was just like, holy cow. That's pretty wild. Last coat and I'm so excited about it. I was gonna paint my nails and film this video yesterday. I'm so glad I didn't, but today I'm like so wiped. Anytime I have to remove a mani and paint one in the same day, it's just a lot. But when my nails are growing, I have to because I cannot take it off at night and then go about my life in the morning without fear of it chipping or breaking a nail, because that has happened more times than I can count. Like I'll take my manicure off, go to work or something, go out, run errands, and I'll like break a nail on the car door. Oh, they're done. Let's do a little sweet almond. Again, this has been a staple in my nail care routine. Cannot grow my nails without it. I'm gonna have to do a little cleanup on these after. Not bad, but I'm not gonna do that all on camera. Rub this in. So good. I feel like Gelish has this color, or I've seen this color. I own this color. Here they are, the final product. This is 5 weeks of growing out my nails. Very happy with the progress. Pretty happy with this manicure. Again, we'll see if I get sick of it. I will put this next to a week 1 update now so you can see how far we've come. Again, week 1, we started out not too short. They weren't complete nubs, but they were definitely shorter. So this is some great progress. And what do you guys think for a color match? I feel like on my camera right now, they look so orange. Again, I'll insert some pictures in natural light so you can really see how this wears. I think it looks way better in the natural light than it does the artificial, but it's fun. I'm excited about it. I'm excited for a change. I did love my French though. Probably will go back to that at some point. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me in this long, chatty Operation Nail Growth update. I like the longer ones every once in a while. It's nice not to have to do them every week because honestly, I run out of things to talk about. And today I didn't prepare a list. I should have because there's a lot going on and there's a lot I could have shared, but I know they'll all come to me next time. I'll have to start banking chatting points for the next video. But that is it. We are in great shape. Please leave me a comment below letting me know how you're doing on your journey. What is the status of your nails? What you currently have on them? What you plan to do this coming week to keep the growth up? It's so fun to hear from you and it makes me feel like I'm not doing this alone because I'm not. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.